So we're trying to play pool, and there's people in the other room singing karaoke. The ship's moving like a mofo. These pool tables automatically correct for the waves and stuff. So we're trying to play pool, and the table's moving. And he listed people trying to sing karaoke. Fun times, fun times. Look at the pool table just moving around. That's how bad the ship's going back and forth right now.
Yeah, don't grab onto the table. No elbow. Find a wall. That doesn't help. There's a line. Like.
Oh yeah, there's a line of balls. Oh, crap, about fell down because of the waves.
Stumbling is only okay if you've been drinking, Joe.
We are on a ship, and it's...
Balls do no good.